you ever wandered through a display home and just wished you could buy it lock, stock and barrel? Well, now you can. Hi, I'm Jonathon from Barry Plant in Werribee, and I'd like to introduce you to number 3 Congregation Circuit in the Jubilee Estate. Let's go and have a look. Offered fully furnished, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-living home is set opposite open parklands and just up the road from the Manor Lake Shopping Centre. The estate is well underway with plans for Australia's largest water park in the Club Jubilee Recreation Centre, and the second Jubilee Recreational Club is set to be nestled amongst the local wetlands. And again, both clubs are exclusively for the use of residents. There are further plans to build 2 schools, and enrolments have already started for 2020 for the local estate's childcare centre. I'm Jonathon Bird. Thank you for watching the video on 3 Congregation Circuit. If you'd like to organise a private inspection, please feel free to give me a call on 0419 536 905, or I look forward to seeing you at this week's Open for Inspections. Thanks for watching.